This is how you win $199 Samsung repair.
Are you looking to come in today?
Yeah, likewise.
Went right into, are you looking to come in today? Trying to set up that appointment, that time to get him to walk through the door.
To you is if it's this, does that mean that the phone may not work? You know, you have to go inside.
So, in order for me to actually assess that, is I have to open the phone, see, run it through a diagnostics. Our diagnostics are completely free.
So he went into free, unbelievable, free cells. So he's telling them, come in for a free diagnosis first. That's what I'm talking about.
We won't charge you anything before we do anything. And I will assess it, see the problem, find a solution, and then let you know. And then we'll go from there. Do you know what model it is at all?
Yes, but a bottle of this little crap.
It really doesn't matter. I fix everything. You give me a car, I'll fix it for you. I don't care. So are you looking to come in today for that phone?
Look at the confidence that he's bleeding. It doesn't even matter. She couldn't figure out what kind of phone it was. He went straight into setting up that appointment. If you like the information in this video, check out techuniversity.com. Go into the link in bio. We have 15 years of experience in this industry for free. techuniversity.com.